Good evening. It is with great pleasure that I join you to announce this month's recipient of the Putnam Northern Westchester BOCES Student of Distinction Award. This significant achievement is for students recognized by our staff for outstanding performance and personal growth. I also want to take a moment to thank you for your continued support. We value our relationship with your school district and look forward to continuing to serve your needs. And now for the Student of Distinction Award.
Hello. I'd like to congratulate Jacob Hitchcock, a senior at Carmel Central Schools, as the Student of Distinction for November at the Putnam Northern Westchester BOCES Career and Technical Education Center. So Jacob is a student in our welding program, and he takes his work seriously. He actively pursues welding jobs outside of school and volunteers to help with shop maintenance. He is respectful of his teachers and fellow students and conducts himself in a professional manner that should make all of us proud. Congratulations again to his family, to Jacob, Carmel Central Schools, for sharing such a wonderful student with us at the Tech Center.